Quick, graph y equals 2 times e to the x by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way is with the e to the x dance. Y equals e to the x has an asymptote at y equals 0. The factor of 2 here does not affect the asymptote. So we'll go ahead and draw that in, y equals 0 or the x-axis. The origin will also be unaffected by that factor of 2. And we're going to plot all our points relative to the origin. Normally we go right 0 up 1, but the 2 factor is going to make it right 0 up 2. 2 times 1 is 2. I'm also pointing out these are values we should recall, the powers of e for both the e to the x and natural log function. Right 1 is normally up e, but we're going to go right 1 double e, which is 5.4. Right 2 up 14.8, because that's usually 2 times e squared. We need to shift the graph down so that we can actually plot that point. Right 2 up 14.8. Left 1 up 0.8 because 2 times e to the negative 1 is going to be 0.8. We double that. And then left 2, we have to double e to the negative 2, 0.28. Connecting the points and comparing that to the parent function for every value of x, you can see that from blue to green, the y values are doubled. Again, from blue to green, the y values are doubled on all points. That's what the 2 coefficient does here. Second way is using a table. So these are our 5 values we usually use, and these are the values you get here. So y equals 2 times e to the x. The x's remain the same, but we're going to multiply each y value by 2, that coefficient. So 7.4 times 2, 15.8. So we'll plot 2, 15.8. Doubling 2.7, we get 5.4, 1, 5.4. So go ahead and finish that. Finish the table, finish plotting the points, and resume when you're ready. Two times 1 is 2, 0, 2. 2 times 0.4, 0.8, and negative 1, 0.8. And the last point, negative 2, 0.28. Draw the horizontal asymptote, the x-axis, y equals 0, and connect the points using that boundary line there, and compare it to the parent function, y equals e to the x. Now you try one. Graph y equals 3 times e to the x. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here's your answer compared to the parent function.